y'all, welcome back with another video. So today I'm going to be installing this wig that I already had. I bought this from a girl. The inches I believe is 14, but I'm going to be cutting this. So this is the stuff that I'm using to install this wig. I already dyed it and everything for you guys, but if you guys want to see a video of me dyeing the wig, then just comment down below and I'll do another video of me dyeing the wig. So I'm using Ghost Bond glue for this wig, and basically I was going to leave it long, but then I don't have any curling irons, so I was just deciding to cut it into a bob. So I already added one layer of Ghost Bond glue, so I'm going to be adding another layer. I already did my ball cap method. You guys just go to previous videos I already did, you guys, to see how I do the ball cap method. I wasn't really going to record, but I just went ahead and decided to go ahead and just record. So in the middle of me already doing some of the things, I just cut the camera on, so that's why you guys didn't get to see me dyeing the wig and doing the ball cap method on the wig. So I already got the wig placed on my head to see, you know, how I'm gonna put it on and everything. So now I'm just applying the second layer of the Ghost Bond glue, and we're gonna wait for this glue to get tacky and make sure that it dries, because you don't want to place the lace on the glue like that with it being white, because then you will see the whiteness and it will look kind of crazy. So you want to wait until it gets tacky and kind of like a clear color. So it's tacky already. Had to wait probably about like a minute or whatever for it to get tacky. You don't want it to get too dry, because then you will have to probably add another layer. So now I'm just placing the lace on top of the glue. So you will see me doing that here. And then I'll come back after I have placed the lace on the glue. Okay, now that it's placed on there, I was trying to figure out how I actually wanted to part this. If I wanted to leave it long, what side I wanted my part on, I really didn't know, y'all. So I was just trying to decide really in my head how I wanted it. But I went ahead and went for the behind the ear with the little you know, bang, little side thing going on, little side bob or whatever. So I was trying to see like how I was gonna party or how I was gonna do it or whatever. And yeah, so that's just me here doing that. Okay, so now I'm finna take some makeup, foundation, and I think the foundation that I'm using, I don't really remember the name, y'all. I think it was like, the color was cocoa. The color of the foundation was cocoa, and I'm using a makeup brush, like the ones you use to arch your eyebrows. I don't like to use the big ones. So I'm using that, and I'm just going to apply some of this foundation on the lace so that it doesn't look too white. You know, you don't want your lace, you want it kind of to blend. Even though you did do the ball cap method, I'm sorry, you still want to put a little bit of makeup on that lace just to make sure that it gives that extra crisp, like, you know. So that's what I'm doing here. And then I'm going to add some mousse on this thing and start straighten and comb this. I'm going to hot comb it and everything like that. So just continue to keep watching. Okay, so now what I'm finna do is I'm finna go ahead and cut this bob, y'all. I kind of got a little bit excited when I cut this because I was like, okay, it might come together. It might look a little, you know, decent. Might look like something. And so I was really excited when I cut this because it came out kind of cute. But you want to make sure when you cut your hair, you don't want to cut too much hair, okay? You want to make sure you cut a little bit low from where you want to from where you actually want it to be, because if you mess up and cut too much, you can never go back and put the hair back on. But if you cut a little lower, you can always trim it, you know, to your liking. So that's what I'm doing. I couldn't see the back, so I had my girlfriend help me. She didn't want to be on camera, so I cut the camera off and she cut it for me in the back. So that's what you guys will see me doing now. So after I get done cutting it, I'm going to probably go back through with a hot comb, flat iron it, and all of that good stuff. The spray that I'm going to show you guys, that in a pink bottle, I actually got that from my sister. It's like some type of silk spray, like when you get a silk press. So that's what I sprayed on the wig, and that's what I'm going to be basically flat ironing my hair with. I don't like to use any type of oils or anything because that'll make the hair look too shiny and too like stiff. It won't have that body to it. So basically just continue to watch, and I'll be back once I'm halfway done or almost done. Okay, y'all, so I actually had to go back in and cut some more off camera before I started spraying and flat ironing and everything, because I had like a long piece. You see, it was kind of uneven in the back, so I had to actually do the work and do it. You know, my girlfriend, she tried, but she didn't do the best. You know, she's not a hairstylist, so she didn't know what she was doing. So I had to go back in and cut some more in the back, make everything even. So now I'm just finna to go ahead and apply a little bit more foundation, you know, hot combing a little bit more, flat ironing, and baby girl, we gonna be done. I already felt like the video was too long. Like I said, I had to go back in, trim a little more, flat iron a little more, but overall it kind of came out cute. This is the finished look right here. Yes, honey. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos like this, give me a thumbs up. Any ideas that y'all want me to do, make sure you comment down below. But make sure you subscribe, and I'll see y'all later.